How to free up space on your Fire TV stick. Now you know that Fire TVs or any type of Android TVs are not usually known for their highest storage space. They are usually very limited. Now in order to solve this, of course, we can try a few things. The first thing is to delete unnecessary apps. So what you want to go is go to the gear icon on the right hand side to go to settings and go to this option called applications and select it. Now from applications, what you can do is go to manage installed applications and just uninstall any unnecessary applications that you might not be using. Amazon puts some bloatwares by default even on your TV, and if it's an app that you maybe don't need it, just select that app and select this option called uninstall. Now if you don't want to uninstall a certain app and if you use that app frequently, what I recommend you is clear the cache files. So go to that application and you can go to this option called clear cache. It will generate some cache files by default, so you can simply clear the cache files, which will not delete the data. After this, what I would recommend you do is you might have installed some APKs or other files to your device, or maybe transfer some files. So to get rid of those files, simply download a file manager. In my case, I've downloaded ES File Explorer from my App Store, so make sure to install that and open it up. It is very easy to help you manage your files over here in this case. So what I can do is I can simply go to this local storage. From local storage, I can go to downloads, and if there are any type of unnecessary files that I have installed over here, you can see I can simply long press and hold on it, and then I'll be able to delete them all together. So I can just select all this, and then I can click this delete button and delete them over there. So these are the ways on how I can free up storage on my Fire TV stick. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.